Hi everybody, this is Kat with Files Anywhere, and I'm here today to go over how you can send files with our FileShare link feature. In this video, we're going to go over how to send a general FileShare link, how to send a FileShare link with your contacts, and how to send a FileShare link with Outlook. We'll also be going into the additional features that are available for our FileShare links that allows you to quickly and easily send the files that you need to your clients without a FileShare limit, without a size limit, and without them having a Files Anywhere account. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and show you how to create a file share link using our general link option. To do that, what we're going to first do is log into our account. We'll locate the files or folders that we want to send in our file share link, and we'll highlight them. In this case, we'll just send the whole documents folder. Now to access the file share menu, you can go ahead and click up on our action menu here and select file share. You can right click on the item and file share, or you could come over to our ellipsis menu over here, open that up, and go to file share. So there's many access points. Once we've done that, all we have to do is come in here and select create link. That'll bring the link right up there, and you can highlight and copy it. Or if you want to check the link yourself, you can go ahead and hit the try link button, and that'll take you into the file share link itself, so you'll see your files as your client would see them. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and send a file share link using our contacts. Last time we used our documents folder. This time we're going to go ahead and open the folder and just send a single file, which we'll use our test PDF for that. We can then right click, go to file share. Now here you have two options. You could manually enter your email up here. So we'll do a test, and we'll just do that. gmail.com. Or you could go ahead and select the contacts button all the way on the right, and then you can multi-select your contacts from here. You'll add the contacts, and then you can just click our send link button. Here you'll see each recipient that is going to receive your link. And again, you could hit a try link to see what they're going to see. All right, now that we've gone over how you can send a file share link, we'll go over our additional settings. To access the settings, you're going to go to your folder or file that you want to send. You'll go ahead and select File Share. And once you've determined how you want to send it, you'll go ahead and click on your settings. Here you can add any files or folders that you might have left off, and we'll go ahead and show you how you can do that. Here we're just going to add our pictures folder. Now that's added to our file share link. But say we only want to send one picture. We don't want to send the whole folder, so we can highlight that, and we can also remove files from here as well. We'll go back in. Let's go ahead and open our pictures, and we're just going to send this PowerPoint. Now that we have the files that we're looking to send, we're going to go ahead and select our General tab. And this will allow us to enter security. We can enter our password here. And that password you can enter, you can either select one yourself, or you can have it sent via one-time password via email or via text message. You can also set your link expiration date. So if you want to limit the amount of time that a client has to access the file, you can do that here. You can also set it so it does not display your name, email, and you can also set it up so that you are notified when the files are downloaded. You can do that by selecting email me when the files are downloaded. You can email when the link is accessed for the first time. And then you can also have it record any activity like downloads to the activity log. Additionally, you can also set a file view or a media view. And you can have it remember your choices for future FileShare links. Okay, now that we have our general settings, we're going to go ahead and move on to access. Now, access will allow you to set whether the client can download and view the document or if they can only view the document. You can also set the amount of downloads on the link, and you could also include a watermark if you have a picture that you don't want or a document that you don't want someone copying. You can go ahead and add the watermark in the downloaded or previewed file. All right, so now we'll move on to our cover page. With cover page turned on, you can enter a title for a cover page and an additional message. You can also add checkboxes for approval, verification text, or a signature, which means they can add a name or a verification word or a small message to you to let you know that they've received the file. All right, and that's going to bring us to our last tab here, which is our Advanced tab. On our Advanced tab, you can see that we can save the recipients to our contact list. We can change our sent from address. By default, it'll say support@filesanywhere.com, but you can change that so that it will reflect the email address on the account. You can choose to send an email to the recipients as well with the subject and a message. And that is going to conclude our video on file shares today. If you have any other questions or if you want more information, you can contact us at 1-888-661-6565, or you can visit us at filesanywhere.com. We look forward to hearing from you. You have a wonderful day.